So we are very excited to be here at the ribbon cutting ceremony for our Kinesiology Lab, one of the first kinesiology labs in the country at a community college. This lab is designed to be able to test all kinds of elements of fitness. We have over 100 fitness assessments that we can do in this lab with our students.
The most important investment for us as an administration, as a leader, is in student learning. And for that, we need to create space. Space that is equipped with technology, modern science, modern learning methods. So this lab is one of the examples.
This has been a long time coming. We've had the idea about 3 years ago. So very, very excited that this has come to fruition and excited to share this with the College of DuPage community and with our students.